Happy Monday, everybody. Today is Macro Monday, and the topic is macros on carnivore. Do they even matter? I'm Dr. Rose Petrilla, the Primal Professor, and today's Daily Spoonful is going to help you stop second guessing your fat to protein ratios and start trusting your body instead. If you've been tracking every bite and still feeling stuck, this one's for you. So if you're coming from keto, you're probably used to tracking every gram of protein, carb, and fat. But carnivore flips that on its head a little bit. You've already eliminated carbs, and that alone simplifies everything. That leaves you with protein and fat, but even then, most carnivore plans don't ask you to hit a perfect ratio. Here's why. Your body is smart. Once you remove ultra-processed food and carb cravings, you start to naturally eat to satiety. That means you stop when you're full. But let's be clear, protein is still the priority. Think of it as your building block. It repairs tissue, preserves lean muscle, fuels enzymes and hormones, and helps to keep your metabolism strong, especially and even more importantly as we age. So if you're going to track anything, track your minimum protein, not your calories, not your fat percentage, not your ratios. Most women need at least 90 to 120 grams a day, depending on size and their goals and their age. Men might need more, often 120 to 160 grams, and that's actual grams of protein, not grams of meat. A 6-ounce ribeye only has 42 grams of protein. Now let's talk fat. Fat is fuel. On carnivore, you're not getting your energy from carbohydrates anymore, so you need to eat your energy needs. And if you're not getting enough, you may feel cold, tired, moody, or stalled. If you're losing fat, you might temporarily run on your own body fat. But if you're already lean or active, you'll need to eat more fat on your plate. But again, don't get stuck in the math equation. Your hunger, energy, and performance will tell you everything you need to know. So do macros matter? Yes, but not in the way you might think. Track your protein if you're unsure. Adjust your fat based on energy and satiety, and let your body do the rest. When I first switched from keto to carnivore, I kept trying to hit a fat to protein ratio. I was still I was in keto calculator mode. But the longer I stay carnivore, the more I realize I didn't need it. My body told me exactly when I was satisfied and when I was eating enough. And protein has a very high satiety factor. So the fat that comes with the meat is probably the best fat you can get. But you can add butter and dairy if you tolerate it. That's the beauty of eliminating the noise. Your instincts come back online. If this helped you stop obsessing over numbers, give it a like and share it with a friend who's just starting carnivore. Want to help figure out your protein needs? Watch my video on how much protein do women over 50 really need. It's linked in the description along with my carnivore beginner player list. I'm Dr. Rose Petrilla, the Primal Professor, and this has been your Daily Spoonful. I'll see you tomorrow.